The cord is a 2-wire, 16-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prong broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. Now I can remove the cord clamp. With the clamp removed, I can pull the cord away from the housing and remove the wires from the switch. And now I can remove the cord from the cord protector. Now I can install the new cord. First, I need to prep the new cord. I need to cut the wires to length and install some new eyelets. I'll use the old cord as a guide to cut the wires. Now I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. And install the new eyelets. And I'll reinstall the cord protector. Now I can reconnect the cord to the switch. The black wire attaches to the switched side of the switch. And the white or neutral wire goes on the back side. This just passes through, it doesn't actually get switched. Now I'll reattach the cord to the housing. I'll make sure that the strain relief is aligned with the housing. And I want to make sure that I have enough of the cord insulation in the cord clamp to grasp it securely. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. And that's all it takes to replace the cord in your power tool.